In this video, I will show you how to insert an image in WPS Office. Adding images to your document helps make your content more visual, engaging, and easier to understand. Whether you are creating a report, a school project, or a personal file, knowing how to properly insert and adjust images can greatly improve the overall appearance of your document. To begin, make sure the WPS Office mobile app is open and that you are already inside the document where you want to add an image. Once the document is open, look at the bottom part of the screen and tap the image icon. This will open your phone's gallery, allowing you to browse through the photos saved on your device. Next, select the image you want to add. As soon as you choose it, the image will be inserted into your document. You can then resize the image by dragging the corners, making it bigger or smaller so it fits well with your content. If needed, you can also adjust the image's orientation, especially if it looks tilted or does not align properly with your text. For more editing options, tap the image and then tap Edit Image at the bottom of the screen. This will open additional tools that allow you to crop the image, apply filters, or enhance its overall appearance. These editing features are useful if you want to highlight a specific part of the image or improve how it looks before finalizing your document. Another helpful option is text wrapping, which lets you control how the image interacts with the surrounding text. You can choose to place the image in line with the text, position it at the top or bottom of the page, wrap the text around it in a square layout, place the image in front of the text, or send it behind the text. Your choice will depend on your layout preference and the overall design you want to achieve. Once you are satisfied with the image edits and placement, tap Done to apply the changes. After that, be sure to save your document so all your updates are properly stored and not lost. And that is how you can easily insert and customize images in WPS Office using the mobile app. With these tools, you can make your documents look more professional and visually appealing in just a few simple steps. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell.